Hello and welcome back to our channel 5 Man Garden Pro, where we bring you the best garden decoration ideas to help you transform your outdoor space into a beautiful oasis. Today we will be sharing you some creative and affordable ideas that will make your garden look stunning. First, adding a state sheet or a sculpture to your garden can create a focal point and add a touch of elegance to your outdoor space. You can choose from various styles and designs to suit your taste and the size of your garden, from traditional Greek statues to modern abstract sculptures. Their options are endless. Garden trellises can serve a decorative element while also supporting climbing plants like rooters or jasmine. You can find trellises in various designs and sizes, from simple metal frames to intricate wood structures. Not only do they provide a vertical garden space, but they can also add some privacy to your garden. Our next garden decoration idea is accounting the sound of living water. Water can add a soothing and tranquil ambience to your garden. You can find fountains in various styles, from modern designs to classic type fountains. Adding a fountain to your garden can help create a serene and calming environment. Last but not least, we have garden lighting. Garden lighting can add an enchanting and medical touch to your outdoor space. You can choose from various types of lighting, such as string lights, lanterns, or even solar powered lights. Not only do they add beauty to your garden, but they also provide some illumination for your nighttime gatherings. There you have it, some creative and affordable garden decoration ideas that will help you transform your outdoor space into a beautiful oasis. Which are most your favorite? Let us know in the comments below, and thank you very much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing garden decoration ideas. See you in the next video. Thank you. Happy gardening.